Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get Deepseek source code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So in this main page, we can get started with using Deepseek. You have the start now option that's going to enable you to log into your account and start using Deepseek. You can get the app for yourself. You have the API platform in the upper right corner and so on. So basically guys, what we're looking for is right here at the bottom of the page. We want to scroll down all the way down in this main page right here. This is going to enable us to find this section right here that says research. So after finding research guys, you can see now we have multiple options that we can open up. You can take a look at what you're looking for, maybe Error 1 or version 3, doesn't matter. You can open up any of the sections right here and it's going to go ahead and lead you to GitHub. So on github.com here, you're going to go ahead and be able to find all the source code for Deepseek, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to download it using the option right here. You can download the zip file for yourself. So you can see here's all the information regarding Deepseek, how you can use it and so on. So anything you need, the source code is going to be right here and you'll be able to find it in this section. So that's how to get started with it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.